Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your login credentials with Wells Fargo. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your login credentials with Wells Fargo, start by navigating to the Wells Fargo homepage. Look for the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Forgot Password from the options provided. You will be directed to the password recovery page. Enter your username or the last 4 digits of your social security number. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Follow the prompts to verify your identity through the method of your choice. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS. Check your email or SMS for this code and enter it as instructed. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong, memorable password to enhance your account security. After entering and confirming your new password, click Submit. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. If you need to reset your username, return to the login page. Click on Forgot Username in the drop-down menu. Enter your information as requested. Click Continue to receive your username via email or SMS. Follow these steps to regain access to your Wells Fargo account efficiently. Now you can log in with your new credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.